Here's how to open a Crypto.com account. First, download the Crypto.com app from the App Store or Google Play Store and open it on your phone. Tap Sign Up to begin the registration process. Enter the email address you want to use, then tap Create New Account. Check your email and follow the instructions to verify your email address. Next, enter your phone number and tap Continue. Enter the verification code sent to your phone, then create a passcode that you'll use to access the app. After that, you'll need to complete the identity verification process. Follow the prompts and select the appropriate identification document, such as a driver's license or another supported ID. You'll need to allow camera access so the app can capture your identification document. Follow the on-screen instructions to take clear photos of the front and back of your ID. Review the images and submit them when everything looks correct. You may also be asked to complete a facial verification. Follow the instructions to record the required selfie video or facial scan. Once you've completed the verification steps, Crypto.com will review your information. Approval times can vary, so wait for the confirmation that your account has been verified. After your verification is approved, you can log back into the app and begin using your Crypto.com account. That's all for this video. Thanks.